Hi friends, welcome. Today we see the drones. What is mean drones? Drones is sometimes we have seen lot of time in the movies a small toy type helicopter that can fly over the city and capture the natural area and some important places. This is called the drone. Now in this video we seen who invented drone and what's the main purposes of users and the drone. What is mean for drone? A drone is an unmanned aircraft or ship that is guided remotely or automatically. Above is a multi-captain drone, named for its many propellers. UAV stands for Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, something that is can fly without a pilot on board. A drone is basically an unmanned aerial vehicle, an aircraft without a human pilot aboard. In this article, we explore the different types of drones out there in the market, some which are just concept, which must, others are already in actions. Drones usage for photography, aerial map, and so on. Drones can be made on the basis of aerial platforms. Based on the type of aerial platform used, there are four major types of drones. Number 1, multi-rotor drones. Number 2, fixed wing drones. Number 3, single rotor helicopter. Number 4, fixed wing hybrid VTOL. Where is drone technology used for? Aerial photography for journalism and film express, shipping and delivery, gathering information, and so more places. And additionally, drone was used to serve a variety of purposes such as recreational, photography, commercial and military. There are two basic functions are flight and navigation. The frame of drone is typically made of lightweight composite materials to reduce weight and increase maneuverability during flight. In addition to emergency response, drones have proved useful during times of natural disaster in the aftermath of hurricanes and earthquakes. UAV have been used to access damaged locomotive teams and delivered aid or in the certain circumstance. They are helping to prevent disaster altogether and also uses of mostly military, emergency rescue, agriculture, outer space, wildlife and historical conservation, medicine and photography, travel and vlogs, and so much more places to use the drones. Who and when invented drone? The genius and innovative mind behind the Predator or drone is Abraham E. Karam. He is also called as the father of UAV technology. UAV stands for Unmanned Aerial Vehicles. Early life. Abraham was born in 27 June 1937. He was born in Baghdad, Iraq. After few years, his family shifted to Israel, where he grew up and took higher education. From the childhood, he had a deep passion in science and technology. When he was just 14 years old, he made the aircraft's models, a garage in his home where he ran experiments. Furthermore, due to his passion science and aerial vehicles, he graduated in aeronautics. He was made up his first drone for his Israeli Air Force during the time of World War. He immigrated to the California, United States in 1970. Abraham may have lived in any country, but he has always served the Air Force of the country with his knowledge and innovations. Abraham's invention was most famous and less advanced technologies. It was used in the service of United States and Italian Air Force. How was invented drone? After the inventions of aircrafts, These aircrafts as widely used for military purposes, but there was also a drawback with aircrafts, and that is, aircrafts was flown by humans, but the chances of accident were high due to any aircraft was fault and aircraft caught fire due to high wind pressure. On account of having such accidents, there was a risk of both loss of life and loss of properties. Robotic drone. Then firstly, robotic plane came into the picture. These airplanes flew by robots, but this type of airplanes needed high budget because engineers had to manage expenses of drone as well as the robotic pilot. So that was quite expensive. UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle, for overcome such situation and saving humans' life. First time the idea came to invent something which was flown by without humans and something which can fly by remote. The UAV is developed, which is the abbreviation from unmanned aerial vehicle UAV, fly by remote, and that has become the most essential technology for Air Force. Abraham Karam's achievements. Abraham was the man who created Predator and robotic planes. Karam and his teams did so many innovations in aeronautics. In 2010, Abraham Karam got the honor to elect as a member of National Academy of Engineering. Now his Predator is kept in the Smithsonian Institution National Air and Space Museum for display. Advanced drones. Drones are too advanced new. It is laced with microprocessor, navigation technology, digital and remote flight controlling systems, high definition and wide range camera, broadband communication system, engine, satellites and missiles. That's why in the today's time having this technology shows the progress of the country and strength of their armed forces. Uses of drones. From military purposes to children toys, drones have made their place everywhere. Drones are also used for several civil purposes. Drone shooting is very common at present. Film industries, cinematography, photo shots, travel vlogs, all are shoots by drones. Drones have also made their way into children's toys. There are so many drone toys are available in the market. Drones are also used by national security agencies, intelligence bureau, central security, traffic control police for surveillance, which is essential activity for security nations. Drones are very useful at the places where human life is in danger. Sometimes a very high places where it takes a long time for man to reach. Future of drone technology. In future, every country is focusing on research and development for launching more advanced drone technology. Nanotechnology is also investing for making mini drones. That is the very fact that now is the time of technology. The power of national is measured by its technical growth. In the coming times, the wars will not be fought by humans. It was fought by the technology. Technology will fight which takes the technology. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.